All right, my beautiful music teacher friends. Do you want the top 10 tips and most important piece of advice for something you need to do before you start thinking about teaching music theory? If so, please watch this video. My name is Glory St. Germain, and I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory. We are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program, exclusively for teachers, walking you through from where you are now, wherever that may be, to having a positive, purposeful, and profitable teaching business. Visit us at MusicBusinessMastery.live and sign up for our 3-day live teacher training. I've been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I've collected a vast amount of information, and I share it here on our YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Okay, today's teaching tip number 10 is exclusively for music teachers. So if you're a music student, this one is not for you. This is only for those of you that are music teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and profitably. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their musicianship skills so that others can benefit from your teaching expertise. This video is for you. Teaching is providing knowledge, a skill that we take with us for forever. So let's dive into teaching tip number 10 of 10. Tip number 10 is attitude and articulate. One of the most powerful skills elite educators have is a positive attitude and clear communication as they articulate their teaching in a simple, comprehensive way. And the only way to know if your attitude and articulation is clearly understood is by the results and impact your teaching has on your students. One of my favorite thought-provoking quotes is, if you think you can, or you think you can't, either way, you're right. One of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Lee-Ping Hudson, had a positive attitude to learn how to teach music theory. And the result was a massive success in her confidence in how she could clearly articulate the music theory lessons to her students. Not only was Lee-Ping successful in her own knowledge while achieving first-class honors with distinction in her exams, but so were her students. Many of her students scored 100% on their music theory exams. While working through the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program, Lee-Ping began teaching music theory club classes, which benefited her students by teaching them in small groups and also generated more income into her music teaching business. When you adopt a PMA, positive mental attitude, and learn how to articulate clearly, you will have massive success in your music theory teaching too. So how do we really achieve that success easily? After all, we all feel overwhelmed sometimes, and we don't always have the clear path on how to even get started, which is why I'm inviting you to our teacher training. This is a 3-day Music Business Mastery live event, and it will be a game changer for your music teaching business. You will learn the exact systems you need to elevate your income, to impact your teaching, and to grow your expert music business. So get registered now at MusicBusinessMastery.live. Until next time, I'm Glory St. Germain, and teach with passion.